Welcome back again. So in this video, we're going to show you one of the best applications that you can use to share the files from your PC into your mobile phone or from your mobile phone into your PC, either Mac or Windows. All you have to do is install the application from Google Play Store or Apple App Store. And then you can also type in Toffeeshare on any browser that you have. And you can see here, this is the link into that. Once you click this, it takes you into the web page here. Very simple one. You can read some of the things here. But you can see this is where you are here. And here, when you want to share the files to your mobile phone from your PC, all you have to do is click here to browse your files or simply drag a file in here. Let's do that. It's giving me this scanner to scan it to my mobile phone. So what I will do, I'll go to my mobile phone, and under here, you can see it says share and receive. Once you select the receive, it gives you this little scanner code here. So when you click here, you can point this to the scan, and you can see the code is just scanning that. And then you can click on download to download the file into your mobile phone. Now, say you want to send a file from your mobile phone to your PC, you can do is share the file. So click on the share the file and then select the file that you want to share by click on the plus icon here to add the file. Once you have the file in, it's going to ask you if you want to share, send to PC or stop sharing. So we want to send this to PC. So we click here and then you go to your web browser on your computer and come up here and click nearby devices. You click that, it's going to create this QR code so that you can be able to scan that. Once you have the QR code, you just point it to, and it says wait until you scan. Now you can see it's starting to connect to the one on your mobile phone, and now it's ready to download. So simply click here and you can download your file. Very fast, as you can see there, depending on the megabytes. And now there you go. You have your file in your PC, and also you send the files to your mobile phone. So thank you again for watching, and make sure to subscribe, and see you back again in another video.